It's a movie out here. Got the purple form. Feel me? Good Audis. Yeah. Color on this is crazy. Got the M's out, sitting. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, and he put the suicides on here? Oh, that's what we doing? Color on that is crazy. They shitted with the M6s, man. God damn, with the wide body fenders? Nah, they black. They black. Now you already know Porsche heaven over here. Wolf House itself. Nah, what? Shit is stupid. Y'all already know, family. My next toy is a Porsche, man. Coming Porsche. I don't know if I'm doing the 718 Cayenne yet. We gonna see though. We definitely gonna see. Definitely. But I don't know if I'm sticking with the Audi, man. Good Audis around here. That shit making me want to stick with my Audi, right? Yeah. Ooh. See that carbon fiber on here? They shitting. They definitely shitting. For sure. Going to work, short a house, and ship it up. Crazy. Nah. You know you see that titanium. Nah, he black. Good G80. Good G80, family. Good G80. No cap. Yeah, they got some toys out. They doing detail. I ain't even bring my shit. They doing details and all that. I ain't bring my shit. I brought the family joint, so we gonna rock out like that. Big turbos on there. They got the food truck and all that. Real Wolf Pen, you know the vibes. The M's. Fire. Just fire right here. Yeah. Yeah. That's the best one I've seen so far. It's the best one I've seen so far. The gold BBs.